Hey everyone, good morning and hope you're doing well wherever you are. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Masud and in today's video we're just going to be pretty much just showing you around the finishing touches of the property that you probably saw in episode 1. We've got just small bits and bobs left. All the flooring's been done, all the painting's been done, new kitchen's been fitted, tiling's been done. New boiler's been fitted, so we've done a lot to the property. I'll give you a quick little tour and then we'll get chatting and get into it. Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, there was the property. It feels really good to have everything finished now. As you can see, we've still got a little bit of rubbish and materials left over from the flooring guys that I just finished over the weekend. We need to sort of clear that out, and then we've got a few small things like fitting the doors, mirrors, the fixings on the windows, the lampshades in this part of the lounge. So as you can see, the yellowish magnolia color, which is a bit dull and boring if I'm honest. So I've got some grey ones from just a local cheap shop. So it should hopefully do the trick and make it look a bit more presentable. We've still got some vinyl left to fit in the kitchen and the bathroom. We've had laminate in the lounge. It feels really good, and I think laminate was the best decision to go with. Initially I thought about doing vinyl in the lounge as well, but on reflection I think that looking at the previous property that I did, just how tenants behaved in the property, and it's going to be a lot of footfall in the lounge compared to the kitchen and the bathroom. I decided laminate was probably the best way to go because it will have less wear and tear compared to vinyl, where I'd probably have to change that every couple of years instead of the laminate. Probably be a bit more long lasting. So challenges. One of the main challenges, I'd say the main challenge with this is because I'm a sole developer, I am working full-time as well, and this property is in a different city to where I'm located. Managing tradesmen whilst working my 9-to-5 job was very stressful, if I'm honest, because I had to manage a lot of relationships, and if you're on your own, you kind of don't have anyone to fall back on. So sometimes I found I was too controlling of trades because I didn't want them to kind of mess about. I just wanted the job done. But as you can imagine, because you got a job and you got other things to do, your life to manage, and you got this whole property refurb thing going on the side, it can prove to get very, very stressful. So that's one thing that I learned, how to manage relationships in this game. I think you have to allow people to do their thing, whilst at the same time setting expectations from the get-go. Another sort of learning lesson on reflection is really just I think I underestimated the refurb costings by a little bit, not by a lot. So in the future I would try to be a bit more conservative. So currently, as you can imagine, with the property market being the way it is, there's a huge demand for materials, and that means the prices have risen. So this kind of project just gave me a bit of a feel for what things should be and what they are and where they could go in terms of supplying the materials. So in this project, I personally got all the materials, most of the materials for my joiner and my gas engineer. So the boiler, the kitchen and the tilings and all that, I sort of sorted that myself, just because I wanted to get a feel for it, and I thought it'd make it easy on the trades. In the future it might be different, but for now, whilst I'm in my current situation, I thought that was the best thing. Also, I used different discount schemes to get a better price, because I went straight to the suppliers using a discount, whereas the trades might have their own discount, but I've got a landlord discount, which after having spoken with other landlords and investors, they kind of gave me an idea for what I should be paying for this kind of thing. But again, you never really know with prices. They're always changing week on week, so you kind of just have to be aware. So those were the two main learning points I took from this project. I'm very happy to finish this now and move on to the next one. Maybe take a little bit of a breather in between, because I don't know if you remember, but in my last video I did say that I would sort of take a little bit of a break from working. Me, I'm just one of those people that is like always doing things. I can't really stop. Which is a bit weird, I know, but I don't really stop. It's Sunday today, I should be in bed, but I'm out here making this vlog for you, so because I was bored. So yeah, now I'm gonna go back home and maybe just try and relax, or maybe go for a walk, make some food, wash some clothes, and yeah. So I'll see you back at my room. So guys, we are just back in my room now, and I guess I'm just going to be chilling out for the rest of the day. It's very nice sunny weather, clear skies out here in the northwest. Wigan is very quiet, peaceful, you can say. I would like it to be a bit more lively, but I don't mind. Yeah, apart from that, I hope you're doing well, and keep up your hard work, whatever it is that you're doing. Stay safe and stay blessed. I will see you in the next video. Please stay tuned and like this video, comment down your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheers.